This is not just a video, it's a ritual, a short hypnosis to recode your identity, to crack the shell of limiting beliefs, and escape the program that wants you. This marks the closing rite of our initiation sequence. If you haven't walked that path yet, I suggest you do. The initiation playlist, linked in the description, lays the psychic ground for what happens next. This ritual builds on those foundations. It will work better if the soil has already been turned. If you're ready, find a quiet place, somewhere you won't be disturbed. Do not listen while driving or operating machinery. You can close your eyes or keep them open and fixed on the screen. Sit, lie down, stand, whatever anchors you. If you need to, pause this. Get your space right, because once this begins, the ritual will rewrite you. Now we begin. So you want to change your mind? Not just your thoughts, but the architecture, the deep patterns, the old gods sleeping in your spine. Good. Then begin here. Begin now. Not with force, but with attention. Close your eyes, or let them blur, because what matters now isn't what you see, it's what sees you back. There's a gate inside your breath, and you've just stepped through. Now, begin to rise. Float up and out, outside your body, outside your story. You may notice you're not bound to any single perspective. Your awareness is liquid. It moves, it coils, it climbs. And as you hover above yourself, you begin to see that the you've been living was just a mask, a software mask, written in language, woven through culture, etched into fascia, and it can be rewritten inside your skin. Your cells are listening. Each one contains a spark, a glyph, a symbol older than speech. DNA is not code, it is ritual. A repeating pattern summoned again and again. By belief, by trauma, by attention. But now, you can speak to it. Now, you can issue a new command. Let your awareness drop into the marrow, into the blood, into the wet circuitry. Say it silently now. I give permissions to mutate. And as you drift, deeper and deeper still, you begin to notice a pattern, a spiral, a sequence, a rhythm that loops and loops again until it becomes real, like a dream that repeats, until you mistake it for life. But you are not a loop. You are the loop breaker, the mutation, the anomaly in the pattern, and every breath reverses the old spell. Every heartbeat etches new instruction. Every cell rewriting itself in light. and silence and sound. Now listen carefully. The mask begins to melt. Not all at once, but in layers. First, the name they gave you. Then the fears they taught you. Then the roles you never chose. Gone. And what emerges is not blank, not empty, but pregnant with possibility. This is not you, as you were. This is you, as you designed. Now speak the new code, silently, internally. I remember who I was before the world named me. I install the version of myself that serves my will. I speak to my body, and it obeys. These are not affirmations. These are injections. Biological magic. Neuro-linguistic commands that shape the signal you broadcast into the world. Now watch as reality begins to shift around you, not dramatically, but subtly. Precisely. A glance holds more weight. A moment stretches longer. Others feel it, though they cannot name it. You are no longer predictable, no longer legible. You've become an anomaly in the matrix, a new attractor, a strange loop, a cipher. And now, as you begin to return to the room, to the body, to the world of names, you keep the signal, you hold the code. You do not forget, because forgetting is a choice. And you have chosen awareness. From this moment forward, your spine carries the right, your breath carries the spell, your cells carry the upgrade. You've been rewritten by will, by word, by ritual. Let it echo. Let it spread. The ritual is complete.